Hi, my name's Richard Duffy. I am the founder and CEO of SMB Solutions Cloud Services. Many of you know me from my time being the SAP Business One Global Product Evangelist. What I want to do in this short video is just remind you again of what it is that SMB Solutions does and also what differentiates us as a cloud provider. First thing you need to know as an SAP Business One partner is that we do not compete with you. We focus purely on the provision of the hosting infrastructure, and we manage the entire infrastructure for you. You sell the customer, you provide the licenses, you do all the implementation services. What we do is we make sure that the Business One implementation, the infrastructure for that is in place and running, it's secure, and it's always available. So there's no conflict of interest, and we are here to support you as an SAP Business One partner. Now people, again, they ask me, Richard, there are a number of different cloud providers we can choose from. What differentiates you? Well, you may have seen my videos from previous summits where I talked a little bit about this. What differentiates us is the fact that we say yes to everything. In some respects, we're like the perfect boyfriend or girlfriend. They always say yes. And so when you have a specific scenario with SAP Business One, you have a customer who's moving from on-premises and they want to move to the cloud. For many cloud providers, the answer is, well, we can't do that. You want to do this? No, we don't do that in our cloud. For us, we pride ourselves on making sure that anything that you can do with the SAP Business One solution on-premises, when you move it into the cloud, you can do it on our infrastructure. So it doesn't matter how complex your integrations are. It doesn't matter how many transactions you process. We've made sure that our infrastructure will cope with that. On the subject of infrastructure, our entire infrastructure is SAP certified. In fact, just recently we've done a complete refresh on all of our HANA servers and the majority of our servers now, and they're all actually Dell servers. We own all of our own infrastructure. We don't use AWS or Azure. All of our servers are actually S/4HANA certified. So you can be sure that when you're running your SAP Business One environment in our cloud, it's going to run exactly the way your customers want, and you won't be spending your time taking calls from them complaining about performance. Our job is to make sure that all you have to do is what you are good at, which is selling the SAP Business One, building the customizations, doing the deployment, and then supporting the customer in an ongoing basis. You leave the infrastructure to us. So if you're thinking, wow, that sounds pretty good, what do I do? Well, come and visit our website. You can find us at www.smbsolutions.com.au, or as many of you probably know, when it comes to SAP Business One, I'm like a plague on the internet. So search for SAP Business One and Richard Duffy, and you will find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, my personal website, the SAP Business One, www.sapbusinessoncommunity.com. That's another site that we run. Richard Duffy, SAP Business One, you'll find me, and I look forward to talking with you. Thanks.